A very good morning to all of you. Today we will learn chapter number 1 of class 6, food, where does it come from? And in this chapter today we will learn 4 points. First is food, second function of food, third is ingredients, and fourth is sources of food. First point is food. So question in our mind, what is food, or define food, why we take food. Food is a component or material which we eat in our day-to-day diet, and this food provides the nourishment, nutrition to our body. So food is a component which provides the nourishment to our body or nutrients to our body, that is known as a food. We can take the examples of different foods: rice, chapati, dal, fruits, vegetables, and some other food. We know that in different part of our country we eat different type of food, and in a day also we eat different type of food which provide different type of the nutrients to our body. Now the question in our mind is, why do we eat food, or what is the function of food, what is the importance of food. हम लोग खाना क्यों खाते हैं, उसका क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, यदि हम लोग खाना नहीं खाएंगे तो क्या होगा, ये भी हम लोग अभी डिस्कस करेंगे. सो नाउ वी विल सी द फंक्शंस ऑफ फूड. द फूड इज प्रोवाइड एनर्जी, एंड दिस एनर्जी वी नीड टू डू वेरियस एक्टिविटीज थ्रू आउट द डे. फूड हमें एनर्जी देता है, उससे हम दिन भर में जो भी एक्टिविटीज होती हैं वो हम अच्छे से कर पाते हैं. सेकेंड फंक्शन इज इट हेल्प इन द ग्रोथ ऑफ आवर बॉडी. द फूड हैविंग न्यूट्रिएंट्स लाइक द प्रोटीन विच रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ the babies. So it also provide the proper growth of the body, and you know that the protein that is known as body building. Third is, if we take proper diet, it protect us from many diseases. In our body a lot of diseases take place with the lacking of the foods, so it's directly or indirectly protect us from that diseases, or it also protect us many diseases that is take place due to the lack of the nutrition. Next point is, it repair our damaged body part in our body due to some day-to-day activities. Some cell or tissues or organs may be damaged, so it repair, fulfill the gaps of our body. And last, it is also necessary for the good health or the well-being of a person. So all over we can say that a food play vital role in our day-to-day life. So we need a balanced diet, proper diet which provide all the requirement of food to our day-to-day activities. After that we will see the topic that is ingredients. What are the ingredients? How we can find out the ingredients of a food item. So ingredients are the material or the component which we need to prepare any food item or dish. यदि हम घर पर कोई भी डिश बनाना चाहते हैं तो डिश को बनाने के लिए हमें जो भी फूड आइटम की जरूरत पड़ेगी बनाने के लिए उसको हम बोलेंगे इंग्रेडिएंट्स. हियर सम एग्जांपल्स आर, सपोज वी वांटेड टू मेक खीर, हमें खीर बनाना है. सो टू मेक द खीर वी नीड द राइस एंड द वाटर, और वी नीड ऑल्सो सुगर ऑल्सो. We need the sugar. Sometimes we use also some dry fruits. So यदि हम खीर बना रहे हैं तो खीर बनाने के लिए हमें राइस, वाटर, शुगर और ड्राई फ्रूट्स हम डालेंगे तो हमारा खीर प्रिपेयर हो जाएगा, तैयार हो जाएगा. तो खीर के अंदर ये फूड आइटम है, एंड दीज आर द इंग्रेडिएंट्स. यू कैन टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. सपोज वी वांटेड दाल. So to need dal, the ingredients are pulses like moong, urad, different type of the pulses, spices, water, oil, salt, और maybe some use ghee. So दाल बनाने के लिए हमें जो पर्टिकुलर दाल है वो हमको लेना पड़ेगा, स्पाइस प्रॉपर अमाउंट में, वाटर, ऑयल एंड सॉल्ट. थर्ड, सपोज वी वांटेड टू मेक साउथ इंडियन फूड, इडली. टू मेक इडली वी नीड राइस, तुअर दाल, water, salt. Apart from, take some more examples. Suppose we wanted to make chapati, so we need the flour or the atta of wheat or maybe some other and salt and water. If we wanted to make chicken curry, we need chicken, spices, oil, salt and water. So similarly, इसी तरह से हम आपके जो आपके रीजनल फूड हैं वो भी हम लोग ले सकते हैं, उनके कौन कौन से आइटम हैं उनको हम कैसे प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. एंड टू फाइंड आउट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऑफ फूड योर मदर विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू. शी कुक फूड डेली, सो शी नो what type of the ingredients we need to prepare a specific type of food or dish. Now sources of food, we see that the food we obtain in our day to day life, that is coming from two type of the sources, whether it is a plant product or whether it is coming from the animal. So plants are the source of most of the food items we eat in our day to day life, like the fruits, vegetables, cereals, different type of cereals like wheat, bajra, rice, these are called the cereals. Pulses, different type of the pulses, moong, urad, and grains we eat in our today life, they are the product of the plant. Second is animal. Animal also give different type of food in our day to day life. So some animal food or products are milk, meat, egg, fish, prawn, beef, pork. These are different varieties of the meat we eat from the animals. Honey is also animal product, that is very important nutrients. So if we again the classify the food items and the ingredients, suppose again if we wanted to find out the name of food item, the ingredients and the source of food. So in case of kheer, to prepare kheer we need rice coming from the plant, sugar is also coming from the plant. So rice and sugar we obtained from plant. Suppose we wanted to make chicken curry, in chicken curry the chicken, that is an animal product, and ingredients as you know earlier. In such a way we can find out the ingredients or the component of food and the source of food, whether they obtained from the plant and animal. In our next video we will learn some different part of plant used as a food item. One part may be used more than two type of the foods, so we will see in the next video. So I hope you have understand this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.